Sound check, sound check. I know, I'm sorry. Give me a second, everybody. Yes, we are here. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live. Yes, I'm sorry. You are late again. Yes, I'm sorry. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. As always, remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. Pillar number 1 is the market, pillar number 2 is the strategy, pillar number 3 is the trader. Hello Allah, how are you? And today we are starting the Forex trading week, everybody. Okay, we are going to have 5 days of trading. So open a demo account, put your demo account, link your demo account to my FX book. Okay, and let's see how it's going to go. Remember, Forex Trading Week, it's not a guarantee, okay? We are here to implement what we have learned so far. Okay, so we're going to try to make some pips and money on a demo account, right? Okay, and with the Forex Trading Week, we are working on number 1 to 3. Okay? So we're not going to waste time to reading all the text. Just remember, you know, this is for educational purposes. Everybody type in the chat a currency pair that you want to trade. Okay? And for tomorrow and Thursday, you can come already asking, oh, check this currency pair, check that currency pair, okay? And remember, everybody, Dukascopy, it's also a community, so if you would be so kind, everybody, and type in the chat where you are from. Okay, some of you live in the same country, so you can connect and learn together and work together, maybe, right? Why not? Yes, exactly. Networking, it's always good. Exactly. So far, it's hedge fund trader Allah. Allah, what currency pair do you want to trade today? And remember, everybody, we are going to use the Fibonacci. We are not indicators, we don't have any indicators yet. Okay? In the meantime, let's go with AUD-CAD, everybody. AUD-CAD, 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 and the Fibonacci. Tell me, everybody, is AUD-CAD NZD-CAD? Okay, great. NZD-CAD. So let's open NZD-CAD. Everybody remember, there is no right or wrong, different trading styles, swing traders, day traders, scalpers. NZD-CAD daily chart. Is this market supposed to go up or is this market supposed to go down? Let's make an educated prediction for the week. Should we sell or should we try to buy NZD-CAD for this week? Today it's Monday, Tuesday. Today it's Tuesday. Okay, today it's Tuesday. Should we try to sell or should we try to buy NZD-CAD? We're going to start with the daily chart. We're also talking in general, right? Not sure if this is the correct. Oh, this is from yesterday, right? From yesterday, okay. Now I need to go back, everybody, and I need to draw the Fibonacci not on the market wave, at least my style. I need to draw the Fibonacci as a sequence, so ABCDs, ABCDs, ABCDs. So this is from yesterday, right? ABCDs, out and out. And yes, just quickly, give me a second, everybody. I need to find my ABCDs on the daily chart. Fibonacci retracement tool. So ABCD, and this is one. So ABCD Fibonacci retracement tool. This is summer. This is the new ABCD, and moving forward, right? ABCDs Fibonacci retracement tool somewhere down in here. Green goes to green. ABCDs. And one last time, I'm not sure about this one. It's higher, so this is the low. Green goes to green, ABCD. Still green goes to green, and green goes to green, still in here, right? And the market did not hit the, oh, it hit the D extension. Alas is down, right? Okay, now let's double check those Fibonacci's, everybody, from the NSDK daily chart. Okay, now a little bit. So this is the A, this is the B. Is this the B? Yes, this is the B, and as always, horizontal line, right? Horizontal line and something like this. Transparency. This is the A and clone. This is the B, ABCD. Now this is the A and this is the new B down in here, which is okay. And one more time, not this one, this is the pivot point resistance. So did not hit the blue, it's still green, right? So this is the new A, and down in here would be the new B, which is this one, right in here. Okay, we have the new AB, and then the market went up, didn't hit the blue, did not hit the blue, and in here it hit the blue, right? So we have another, let's see if it hit the blue from the Fibonacci. Yes, it hit. So blue goes to blue. Now the extension is down in here, and let me see daily Fibonacci. Where are we? Okay, so this is the new A, and blue goes to blue. So the extension from the daily is in here. Big Fibonacci from the daily, right? Huge. Now this is our new ABCD from the daily. Let's see if we can compress the chart. Yes, we can. And text, this is our A up in here. A. Shola, are you here, Shola? Some of you are sending me emails, everybody. Oh, please explain number 3, number 2, number 1. A, B, and so far this is our C. And our projected the extension is down here, right? Projected the extension. Projected the extension. Okay, everybody, today it's Tuesday. Let's make a poll. Who wants to enter short NZD right now? And if you say yes, type in the chat what pattern are you trading, meaning where are you going to put the stop loss, how much are you going to risk per trade, and where are you going to profit take. Al, are you already in a trade? And as always, everybody, there is no right or wrong. You can ask for the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 3 hour chart. Okay, 15-minute chart, there is no right or wrong. ABCDs, not sure about this one. This is the 4 hour chart. And our 4 hour chart starts where? Starts up in here, right? our 4-hour Fibonacci, everybody. Let me check, double check, triple check. Okay, NZDCAT 4-hour chart too. Let's draw the Fibonacci on the sequence this time. You can do it on the yellow, so from yesterday you can draw your Fibonacci also on the market wave if you want. There is no right or wrong, those are two different approaches. Is anybody shorting NZDCAD already? Green goes to green, ABCD, ABCD, the D must be a low. Let's compress the chart. Next ABCD swing, this is the, and our low is down in here. See how Fibonacci works, everybody? The Fibonacci won 1, 2, 3, but we need to be patient. 1, 2, 3, hit the red this time. 1, 2, 3, red goes to red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fibonacci worked for 4 times. Not a guarantee. You know, I'm just looking at the sequence. If some of us did this, right? If we would short the Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, we would have 4 winners. This was one of the best entries in here. Talking about NZDCAT 4-hour chart, everybody. The deeper, remember the rules? The deeper the retracement, the greatest deep probability of the reversal. So red goes to red, right? This was red, and let me see in here. So this is the new sequence, Fibonacci. So it hit the extension down in here. This is the new ABCD. Which one was the first low? Maybe just to double check. Not a low, not a low. This one. Here. For the 5th time, right? The Fibonacci worked. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are in the 6th. Hit the Fibonacci again. In here, Fibonacci retracement tool, ABCD. This is the C. Out this one, not a pivot point, and we are here right now. Hedge fund trader Ala and everybody else who is online, how are we going to make pips and money on NZDCAT 4-hour chart? Okay, so we are telling you for months that you are going to graduate from this course, and we are going to welcome you in the advanced course. It's called the Institutional Trader course. Okay, when you have your strategy in place and you understand why you win and why you lose. Can we trade Euro USD? Sure. Sammy, you can trade anything you want, makes sense? Just be sure that you are on a demo account first. Okay? I have some stubborn traders that are telling me I'm going to go live because the demo account doesn't feel real. And I'm telling them, don't do this, go on the demo account first. And the stubborn traders, they go on the live account and they cannot execute. Listen to me very carefully, everybody. Trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. Some of traders are stubborn, they want to be right, and they open a live account, but then they are not learning in the correct way. And guess why not? Because they are afraid of losing money. Exactly. Okay, everybody? Yes, if you are a seasoned trader, you know already you can trade whatever you want. Euro, AUD, you know. Sammy, I'm sorry, I hopefully I pronounce your name correctly. You can trade AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD USD, Canada CHF, Canada JPY, CHF JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro New Zealand, Euro Dollar, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP CHF, GBP JPY, GBP NZD, GBP USD, NZD CAD, NZD CHF, NZD JPY, NZD USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, and lastly USD JPY. 27 currency pairs. Freedom, are you trading all of them? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, everybody, go on the demo account first. Don't fall prey to stupid blah 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 on YouTube, okay? You know, there are a lot of BS on YouTube lastly those days, you know, like trading the footprints of the banks, you know, and smart money BS concepts, you know, that professional traders are not using indicators. Okay, don't fall prey to this stuff. Do you care to show Euro AUD? Sammy, once we finish with NZD CAD, okay? Allow us first, everybody. If this is your first time with us, first comes, first is served. Okay, but yes. Any advice on slippage on live account? Slippage is normal. Okay, advice, don't trade now again, you know, nobody wants to listen, right? Trade from 1 hour chart in and above. Suggestion, don't bother with short stops. Suggestion, okay? Professional traders, we are not affected by slippage. Make sense, everybody? Yes, it's not because of slippage that you are not making any money, everybody. It's not because of the swap that you are not making any money, okay? This business, how to make money in the financial markets, it's nothing special. Nothing changed in the last 60, 80 years. Does this make sense to you? Your grandfather who worked in JP Morgan Chase in 1920s made money in the same way, same concepts as your father from today. Make sense? What changed? Technology changed. We have charts, we are in our home offices today most likely. We have auto fibs, we have indicators, you know, but the concepts, how we make money, you know, are always the same. Don't fall prey to Holy Grace, unicorn, YouTube videos, everybody. Make sense? Yeah, I know you don't want to hear this stuff, right? You think that, oh, there is something new online, you know, that you are going to be a millionaire tomorrow. You are not, I'm sorry to tell you, you are not going to be a millionaire tomorrow, right? But once you get serious and you understand that there is no trick, you know, nothing special really, it's always the same, then the money will come. Thanks to everybody, we are here to help you, we are here to serve you. Come on, hedge fund trader Allah, how are we going to enter this market? Okay, so strategy, everybody. Okay, so strategy. Number one, what patterns is my strategy going to trade? Number 1.1, can I enter a Fibonacci trade? Everybody, can I enter a Fibonacci trade right now? Can I enter a Fibonacci trade right now? Yes, 95% online, it's BS, believe me. If you don't believe me, ask the guys for results. Make sense? Ask them. You know, tell them, you know, dear John or Joanne who is online, you know, the super trader, okay, ask them, would you be so kind and show me some results? Okay, you can tell them, you can also hide, you know, show me some results from the demo trade, the demo account. Show me some results from, you know, you can also hide the money if you are scared, you know. We remember this one? We are showing the results, everybody. This is my demo account from 2015. See up in here? 2000 demo. Back in time it was Insta Forex Broker demo account here. And we are showing you the results. Profitable month, losing month, and then when you learn how to be consistently profitable, it's winner, you know, this is consistent profits. Winner. 2016, winner, you know. So we are showing the results, everybody. You can check, not a problem. Okay. And do this. Go on the demo account and show to yourself that you know what you are doing. Make sense? And then you go on the live account. Sammy says, Andy, can you extend it? Ala short 1 hour. Ala short. Okay, Ala, what pattern? Ala short on the 1 hour chart, and Ala's entry, let's color code this like maybe like this, or maybe like this, and transparency. Okay, edit coordinates. Ala's entry was at 0.78115. This was Ala's entry. Okay, and Ala's stop, let's color code this in red. Ala's stop is at 0.76853. Oh, you went long. Oh, this is the stop. What was your entry? Ala, your stop is too short. Makes sense? Everybody, we had this kind of conversation already. Why 90% of people fail? Because you don't listen. Ala, what is the rule? Stop loss goes on what? Everybody type in the chat. We've learned this. I said I'm going to tell you this 50,000 times. I'm going to be boring. Stop loss goes on what? How can you quantify what you are doing, if what you are doing is good or bad? Stop loss goes. Stop loss goes on what? If you are new, don't bother, but some of the guys in here and the girls are with us for the past 2 years, 3 years. $1 million cash. Hello Dancy, how are you? Everybody, Ala entered the market and he put the stop loss up in here. How do we know that this stop loss is in the correct place? stop loss goes where? There is no right or wrong. Stop loss goes to the A. If we talk about the Fibonacci, yes, but otherwise, then see exactly Allah. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. What pattern are you trading, Allah? Hello Julius, how are you? Semi says stop loss below 146. 1618, I'm sorry, yes. Well, this is really the take profit, right? This is the stop loss, and take profit is, as Allah said right down, it was 7685 something. Allah, what pattern are you trading? Everybody, if you are, just an example, if you are trading the Fibonacci, okay, it's just an example. If you are trading the Fibonacci, okay, and give me a second, smaller, there you go, okay, and if you enter here and your stop loss goes here, you are not listening to me. Make sense, everybody? Why not, boss? Because the Fibonacci rules are stating stop loss or above the C or stop loss above the A. Make sense? And somebody's going to cry, oh, but the risk-reward ratio is not good. So don't trade the Fibonacci. Make sense, everybody? The transition from a beginner trader to a professional trader is you are going to follow rules no matter what. Allah, you are waiting for me to tell you what are you trading, right? I'm not going to tell you. What pattern are you trading? Everybody, if you do not learn how to put the stop loss in the correct place, you are going nowhere with your trading. I don't agree with you, Freedom. Well, let's check the numbers. Let's check the numbers. If you don't agree with me, everybody, this is not a contest who is right, who is wrong. We are always checking numbers. If you do the correct thing, you are going to make consistent pips. If you are partially doing the correct thing, you are going to partially make consistent pips. And if you are not doing the correct thing, you are going to have the occasional winners, right? But you are not going to have consistent winners. Is that simple? So Allah, what pattern are you trading? Otherwise we're going to move everybody to Euro AUD. Okay, so NZD 4-hour chart, right? From the 1-hour chart we had an entry. Yes, we did. This was the counter trendline break. Our entry was in here. And this is the 4-hour chart. From the 4-hour chart, we need to wait for this candle to close. Okay? If this candle closes bearish, so my chart time it's New York close. So I need to wait for 2 hours and 26 minutes in order to wait for the candle to close, and if this closes bearish, we can enter short. Okay? If you want, this is no recommendation, we are here to learn, everybody. Nonetheless, if you enter here, what is the pattern? And the stop loss, everybody. Okay, no, exactly. Can I short the Fibonacci sequence in here? No, we can't, right? Risk-reward ratio problem. So if I cannot enter the Fibonacci pattern, what can I enter? What pattern can I trade? Risk-reward ratio wise. We can enter the short-term trend, right? Short-term trend, market making lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Allah, if you were trading the short-term trend, the yellow line, is your stop loss in the correct place or is your stop loss too tight? Everybody, let's make a poll. Is Allah's stop loss in the correct place or is Allah's stop loss in the wrong place? Freedom, would you be so kind and explain one more time why we need to put the stop loss on the pattern traded? Yes, sir. Why do you think we need to put a stop loss on the pattern traded, everybody? Short-term trend. Your stop loss, Allah, should be, improve your stop loss, Allah, your stop loss should be in here. What's the number? Let's code this in black. 0.78245, Allah. Semi says stop loss too tight. Yes, sir. Dancy, wrong place. Needs to be above previous high. Exactly, I agree with you. Okay, Allah, everybody's telling you, trying to help you improve your stop loss. Everybody, why the stop loss? And I don't care what anybody else online says, you know. Okay, this is the logic behind, and it makes sense. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded because when the market breaks the pattern is not valid anymore. Make sense? Some of you beginner traders, you are keep repeating this mistake because you are not listening to me. Make sense? This is an uptrend or a market way, whatever. The correct stop loss is down in here. This is the correct area of the correct stop loss. Yes, on any time frame, it doesn't matter, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, daily, monthly, weekly. But you are losing because you get in the fight with the market. Make sense? You get in the fight with the market in between in here because you want to be right, or maybe because you are scared of losing money or whatever might be the case. You know, when you enter here and you put stop loss in the wrong place, you put your stop loss in here. It doesn't really matter if you are going long or short, and you put your stop loss in here, you know, going long and going short, and you are doing all the things, you are working hard, and the market is stopping you out, and you are stopped out, and you are stopped out. If you would just put the stop loss in the correct place, but the market is going against me, boss, welcome to the club. The market is always going to go against us. But the fact is that this pattern is still valid. Everybody type in the chat, can you understand this? This is a losing game. This is a winning game. This is you educating yourself in the wrong way. This is you educating yourself in the correct way. This is you not listening to me because you want to be wrong and you are smarter. And this is you listening to me. Make sense? If your way is not working, why don't you try ours? Okay, everybody? Can you understand this? Does this make sense to you? It's not just the uptrend, any pattern, Fibonacci, head and shoulders, crowns, flags, pennants, candlestick formations, whatever. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Okay. And your take profit is down in here because most likely because of the Fibonacci, right? So okay, so if you go 1 for 2, 1 for 2, what was the entry? We need to measure the risk reward ratio. Okay, we need to measure risk reward ratio, everybody. So if you entered here, counter trendline break, then this would be 1, and we go. If we risk €1, we want to make €2. If we risk 1 Bitcoin, we need to make 2 Bitcoins, right? If we risk $1, we need to make $2, 1 against 2. Risk reward ratio. Okay, Ala, do you have any questions or anybody else about NZD CAD going short? Tomorrow, everybody, we're going to have 5 days of trading. For tomorrow, prepare yourself, you have an understanding, try to make an educated prediction. So today, Ala predicted, okay, for this week, NZD CAD is short. Okay, everybody? Hedge fund trader Ala says this week we have a down Fibonacci from the daily. For this week, of course, the market is going to wave, but this week, prediction, we are shorting the market. Okay? Hedge fund trader Simi, what is your prediction for Euro AUD, everybody? Let's make a poll. Prediction for, not a guarantee, everybody, don't be shy, make sense? You are trying to learn how this market works. What is the prediction for Euro AUD for this week? It doesn't really matter, scalper, day trader, swing trader, what is the prediction? Do you want to buy this market or do you want to sell? Forex trading week, we start from the daily chart, and then if we need, we can check the monthly and the weekly. Otherwise, we go on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart. Euro AUD short. Anybody else? Anybody else? Hedge fund trader Simi, Euro AUD short. Simi, you are the teacher, I'm the student. Teacher, isn't Euro AUD on the daily chart making higher highs, higher lows? You are new to the show, right? Everybody, when we are asking questions, remember, we are not saying that anybody is wrong. We are just asking questions. Make sense? Hedge fund trader Simi, isn't, so you are the teacher, everybody, isn't Euro AUD on the daily chart making higher highs, higher lows? Yes, everybody, you can choose any time frame, 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart. Exactly, there is no right or wrong, because on the smaller time frame, the currency pair might be going in an opposite direction compared to the higher time frame. Make sense? So Euro AUD on the daily chart, it's making higher highs, higher lows. But if we go on Euro AUD monthly chart, you know, what is the monthly chart doing? from a general perspective. It's making lower lows, lower highs, right? But we are trying to figure out direction for the week, everybody. Congratulations to you. See everybody how the perspective changes? So okay, boss, the daily is making higher highs, higher lows. So what's the plan? Should we still short the market or should we buy this market? Everybody who is online, let's make a poll. Do you want to buy Euro AUD for the week or do you want to short Euro AUD for the week? We want to make pips and money, don't we? So number one, do you want to... Yes, let's make a poll, everybody. So I'm going to delete the uptrend. Let's make a poll, right? Question number one, long or short? Number one, long. Remember, tomorrow we're going to be again together. Long or short? Number two, how are you going to enter the market? What is your entry strategy? Okay, Simi says I'm short. Would you be so kind, Simi, and type in the chat your price, where you entered, where is your stop loss, where is your take profit, and what pattern are you shorting? Hedge fund trader Ala, long or short on Euro AUD? Hedge fund trader Dancy, long or short on Euro AUD? Julius, trader Julius, long or short on Euro AUD? Everybody participate in the conversation. This is how we learn. Don't be shy. There is no right or wrong, alright? You can go long, you can go short, not a problem. Just trade on the demo account, right? Don't be the stubborn guy who says no, demo account doesn't fill. You are going to fill the live account, right? See me saying, I hope I pronounce your name correctly, everybody. If not, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is an edit label. Simi says stop loss is at stop loss is at 1.497. Okay. Simi, what is the take profit and where did you enter? Julius says buy. Okay. Hedge fund trader Julius, how are you going to enter the market? What is your strategy? Hedge fund trader Dance says long short term. Okay. Question number 2 for you too. What is your entry strategy? Do I need to have a strategy? Absolutely yes. You need to have a strategy, everybody, on how to analyze the market, the charts. Then you need to define what patterns are you going to trade, right? And number 3, you need to have a strategy. How are you going to enter? Take profit. Okay, so clone and change colors, edit label, take profit, okay, coordinates 1.46315. There you go. Say me what was the price of your entry, and lastly, the most important thing of all, see me, is what pattern are you shorting? Dancy 1 hour chart. Okay, how are you going to enter, Dancy? Clone chart, Euro AUD, clone chart, Euro AUD, 1 hour chart, out, most of the things out. Julius, what is your entry strategy? How are you going to enter? Dancy, what is your entry strategy? How are you going to enter? Simi, where is the price that you have entered? So from the 1 hour chart, everybody, trend lines, we learned about trend lines. This is the uptrend line, this is the downtrend line, right? This is the downtrend line. From the 1 hour chart, we need to pay attention not to break tails or wicks, right? Give me a second, everybody. Come on, FOREX. Doesn't want, huh? Doesn't want to move, right? The platform. Shola, I were waiting for you. We're almost at the end of the hour. Shola, tomorrow if you can be at the hour, I can answer to your question, talking about more about the Fibonacci, Shola, okay? And Simi says, I see breakout on the 4 hour chart. Breakout on the 4 hour chart. Breakout on the 4 hour chart. Delete this one, delete this one. Okay. Dancy says counter trend line break on short-term trend. Dancy on the 1 hour chart. Okay. So Dancy is going to, now remember, this is now Dancy, this is the market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement so far. Retracement so far. And then you say, okay, when the time comes, Dancy, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Dancy is saying when the time comes, I'm going to wait for the market to make a higher high above the counter trend line. I'm going to enter with the counter trend line break, okay, on the 1 hour chart, and I'm going to put my stop loss down in here. This would be one, or I am trading this one high, low to high, high to low, low to high. And I'm going to do the same, with the difference that I'm going to trade the short-term trend, the blue one, the yellow line. Then see the yellow line, and my stop loss is going to go below down in here. Okay, so you can trade, everybody, the red market wave on the 1 hour chart. You can trade the yellow short-term trend on the 1 hour chart. Entry strategy, congratulations to you, Dancy. Counter trend line break with the closed bullish candle on the other side. Okay. Now, Simi says breakout on the 4 hour chart, right, everybody? Breakout on the 4 hour chart. Give me a second. Breakout on the 4 hour chart. Okay. On the 1 hour, I'm going to short original Fibonacci, says Shola. On the Shola, on what time frame? The daily? And Simi's entry was at, let's go on the daily chart to have a better visual, everybody. Entry was at, so entry, let's color this in black, and like this, and like this, and like this, and entry was at 1.488. 1.488. Okay. And clone chart and let's go on the 4-hour chart to check on Simi. Would you be so kind, Simi? Where did you enter? Did you enter here? 21st of September. Did you enter here on the 22? Did you enter here on the 25th? Or did you enter maybe today? Yesterday, 26th. Where did you enter? Julius. I will go with Dancy Trade. I can trade now because my laptop is sick and I'm going to fit it now. Not a problem. Dan says yes, the yellow line. Okay. Everybody, we are here to learn, alright? This is how we learn. So, I am Simi. I hope you pronounce your name correctly. If not, I'm sorry. One more time. And I've seen a breakout count. I've seen a breakout on the 4-hour chart. Right? If I'm going to lose and the probabilities are against me, what is the technical reason? Everybody, don't worry, nobody's perfect. We are here to learn. We all make mistakes, everybody. Makes sense? I did anything and everything wrong 20 years ago. Okay? We are all the same, believe me. We are all the same. We think the same thoughts. We see the market in the similar way. Okay? Most of the time we lose because we don't perceive the market. Simi says today. Okay? So if I'm going to lose, what are the technical reasons? Simi, listen to, okay, not just Simi, everybody else. So I enter today, okay, what are the technical, there is no right or wrong, but talking about probabilities. When I entered shorting the market on the 4-hour chart, did I enter against the short-term trend on the daily, or did I enter with the short-term trend on the daily? Dancy says higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Everybody, let's work on number 2 from you graduating from this course. Reasons why I lose. Reasons why, not me as a person, makes sense? Reasons why my strategy loses. Number 1, I trade against the higher time frame. Number 2, I trade against the higher time frame candles. Number 3, I trade against the short-term trend on the trading time frame. Maybe I need to check. Dancy higher time frame controls lower time frame against the short-term trend, making hard. Okay, everybody. So learn from this Forex trading week starting from today. Reason why my strategy loses. I am Simi. Okay, I've seen a breakout, and it was right. It was. Okay, the market broke. The market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it broke the uptrend line. Agreed, everybody? So I'm seeing this, and this happened, but I entered in here. Okay, I entered in here, and why I'm losing, not me as a person, but my strategy, because number 1, if the market is going to stop me out, no, nobody's saying that Simi is wrong. It's a probability profession. Burn this into your mind. It's a probability profession. There is no right or wrong whatsoever. You have low probabilities against high probabilities. And this is all there it is. So I shorted the market on the 4-hour time frame. If I'm going to lose, this is the reason I trade against the higher time frame. As Dancy said, the daily, it's making higher highs, higher lows. Number 2, I trade against the higher time frame candles. I shorted the market in here. The daily candle is bullish. And because the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame concept, me shorting the market, it's not wrong. Me shorting the market is just low probability. And lastly, I trade against the shortened trend on the trading time frame. Not see everybody in here? You know, the market, when me and Simi entered the market short, the market was not making lower lows, lower highs anymore. Make sense? And we learned about the stories. This story is one, but as soon as me and Simi entered, the market made a higher high. Simi, can you see this? Everybody, do we agree that when we entered today, we were late to the party? Do you see, Simi, that you entered when the market made a higher high? If you would short it in here, it's lower lows, lower highs on the 4-hour chart. But today or yesterday, the market made a higher high. So most likely we are going to lose. Yes, I see. Shola, you are shorting uptrend, allow the market to make lower low, allow it to reverse at the counter trend line break. We can now short. Wow, great entry strategy, Shola. Everybody, if you see value in these lessons, give us a thumb up so you can help the YouTube algorithm to put the Dukascopy webinars and Forex Trading Week higher, okay? Tell your friends and family that we have this. It's for free, it doesn't cost you anything. Okay? There are a lot of people those days searching, looking for additional income, making money from the market, or simply become a professional trader and be free, right? To have the money and the time. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another Forex Trading Week. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. Yes.